Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to add photos on contacts on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just open the contacts app on your smartphone and from here just select the contact on which you want to add a photo, just like that. Now once you select a contact, just tap on the edit button at the top of the smartphone. Now just select your Gmail. And on this page, just tap on Add Picture. Now, if you tap on Camera, you can capture an image and set it as the photo on the contact. Or you can tap on Gallery and you can select any image from the Gallery app. Just like that. And once you have done that, just tap on Choose. Now, just tap on Save. Now, as you can see, this is how you can add photo on contacts on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.